What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. We had a slight problem with this rain barrel. Where the crack is on the side, the seam, it actually developed a hole. So I'll bring you in, show you this side, and then I'll show you this other side. So this is the good side. They basically took two halves and melted it together. So the seam goes all the way down. On this side, everything was good. And then it developed a split right down the seam. So we ended up putting a little tape on it just to get it through some of the season, but now we have a new rain barrel, so we're going to install that now. We secured this rain barrel to the post. Now we just have to get this out of the way, and then we can install the new rain barrel. I kind of had a little bit of a blooper. I wanted to help get the water out, and when I lifted it up, it caught me good. But I won't put it all the way up this time. We ended up ripping the tape off, and it was cracked basically to this line here, but from here down was all filled with water. We removed the rain barrel, and now, oh yeah! So we're just securing this to this post again, so until it gets the water, any breeze could go ahead and cause it to blow over. We're securing it with this tie down strap just to give it a little stability. I still need to do a little customization with this. There's essentially a trough on top. I'll bring you in and show you that here in a second. But this was the old one. So basically this could just sit on top of it and drizzle the water in, and then it would come down through this screen. This basically has a plastic screen on it. So I just have to get this hose so it stays in this little trough, so then the water can filter down into the rain barrel. Just starting to make the trimming cuts now. We do have rain coming, so it'll be a good test to see how this barrel handles the rain and how this hose is. If worse comes to worse, I can always buy a new piece of pipe and get it specifically for this, but I hate to have to purchase something when we can reuse this. If you guys have a rain barrel, what size is it? Is it a 55 gallon? Is it 50? Or do you have like a IBC tote that's 275 or 330 gallons? Let me know down in the comments. It did come with this valve off and the Teflon tape, so I needed to go ahead and Teflon and secure the valve to the rain barrel. I did purchase this rain barrel from Lowe's, and if there's a link available, I'll drop that down in the description. Well, if you guys have any questions, don't forget to drop them down in the comments. Thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.